Okay, so imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you grab your phone, and before you've even had your first coffee, you've already made a sale. You didn't ship anything, you didn't pack a box, you didn't even touch a product, you just woke up and money came in. That's not a dream, that's print on demand. And in 2026, it's one of the most realistic ways to start making money online. Even if you have zero experience, here's how it works in the simplest way possible. You create a design, it could be a funny phrase, a cool graphic, anything really. You put that design on products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags. When someone buys it, a company prints it, packs it, and ships it directly to the customer. You never touch it, you just collect the profit. The only question is, which software do you actually use to set all of this up? That's exactly what we're covering today. Welcome back to Pick 5 Pro. If you're new here, every video on this channel is about finding the best software tools for whatever you're trying to do, and today we're doing print on demand. Now I know some of you watching this are complete beginners. You've heard about print on demand, you're curious about it, but you have no idea where to actually start. Don't worry, we're going to walk through everything step by step. And some of you might have already tried a platform or two, but you're not sure if you're using the right one. That's also totally fine. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which tool fits where you are right now and where you want to go. Here's how we're going to do this. I'll go through each of the 5 best print on demand platforms available in 2026. For each one, I'll break down what it is, how it works, what's great about it, what's not so great, who it's best for, and how much it actually costs. The 5 platforms we're covering are number 1, Printify, number 2, Printful, number 3, Gelato, number 4, Redbubble, and number 5, Selfie. All 5 are legitimate. All 5 are used by real people making real money. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, Printify. Alright, tool number 1. And if you ask most people in the print-on-demand world what platform they started with, there's a very good chance they're going to say Printify. And honestly, there's a reason for that. Printify is basically the Amazon of print-on-demand. Not in a bad way, I mean it in the sense that it's massive, it has everything, and once you know how to use it, it's incredibly powerful. So here's how Printify works. When you sign up, which is free by the way, you get access to a catalog of over 900 different products. 900, we're talking t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, phone cases, socks, hats, bags, wall art, pillows, notebooks. The list goes on. And here's what makes Printify different from a lot of other platforms. They don't do the printing themselves. Instead, they connect you to a network of print providers. These are real printing facilities located all over the world, in the US, the UK, Europe, Australia, China. And you get to choose which provider handles your orders. Now that might sound complicated, but it's actually really useful. Why? Because different providers have different prices, different quality levels, and different shipping speeds, so you can pick the one that makes the most sense for your customers. Now let's talk about the mockup generator, because this is something you're going to use constantly. Once you pick your product and your provider, you upload your design, and Printify automatically generates product mockups. Realistic photos of your design on an actual t-shirt, mug, whatever product you chose. These mock-up photos are what go in your store. They're what customers see when they're deciding whether to buy. And Printify's mock-ups look really clean. Some of them honestly look like professional product photography. Okay, let's talk about integrations. Because here's the thing, Printify isn't a store by itself. It connects to your store, and it integrates directly with Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, eBay, TikTok Shop, and more. So however you want to sell, Printify plugs right in. When a customer buys something from your store, Printify automatically receives the order, prints the product, and ships it straight to the customer. You don't have to do anything. It's all automated. So what's the catch? Honestly, there are a couple of things to be aware of because Printify works with multiple suppliers. Quality can sometimes vary between providers. If you switch providers or a provider has a bad batch, product quality can be inconsistent. The fix for this is simple. Always order a sample before you start selling. Spend a few dollars, get the actual product in your hands, and make sure you're happy with it before you put it in front of customers. Also, since you're choosing between providers, it can feel a little overwhelming at first. There are a lot of options, and it takes a bit of time to figure out which providers are the best for each product type. But honestly, the community around Printify is massive. Pricing: the free plan lets you run up to 5 stores and access the full product catalog. The premium plan is $29 a month and gives you up to 20% off all products, which adds up to serious profit margin when you're selling at volume. For most beginners, the free plan is more than enough to get started. Bottom line on Printify, it's the best starting point for most people. Huge product range, free to use, connects to everywhere you want to sell. Start here. Tool number 2, Printful. And if Printify is the biggest, Printful is probably the most trusted. Here's the key difference between Printify and Printful, and it's an important one. Printify is a marketplace. They connect you to third-party print providers. Printful is a company that does everything themselves. They own their own printing facilities, they have their own fulfillment centers, they control the entire process from the moment an order comes in to the moment it arrives at your customer's door. Printful's product range is also very impressive. T-shirts, hoodies, hats, bags, wall art, phone cases, pillows, posters, stickers, mugs, socks, and where they really shine is in the premium category. Embroidered hats, all over print products, premium heavyweight t-shirts. These are products where quality really matters, and Printful delivers. Let's talk about the design tool. Printful has one of the best built-in design editors in the print-on-demand space. It's right there inside the platform. You don't need to download Photoshop or Illustrator or anything. You can upload your own design, or actually build your design inside Printful using their editor. You can add text, clip art, layers, adjust placement. It's genuinely pretty capable. And their mockup generator is excellent. Actually, one thing Printful does that I really like, they offer lifestyle mockups. So instead of just a flat photo of a t-shirt on a white background, you can get a photo of a real model wearing your design or a product sitting on a real desk. These lifestyle images perform incredibly well on platforms like Etsy and Instagram because they help customers actually imagine owning the product. Now here's something that comes up a lot when people compare Printify and Printful: price. And yes, Printful is generally a bit more expensive than Printify on a per product basis. If you're selling a t-shirt and the base cost on Printify is $9 and on Printful it's $12, that difference comes straight out of your margin. But here's how I think about it. If your brand is about quality, if you're selling to customers who care about a premium product and you're charging premium prices, Printful's quality justifies the cost. If you're in a very price-sensitive market where you need to keep product costs as low as possible, Printify might serve you better. Printful is free to use, no subscription needed. You only pay when an order comes in. The product cost gets deducted from what the customer paid and you keep the rest. Integrations are excellent. Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Squarespace, Amazon, eBay, Wix, and more. If your goal is to build a brand that people trust and come back to, Printful is absolutely worth it. It's used by some of the most successful print-on-demand shops out there for a reason. Tool number 3, Gelato. And this one is a bit different from the first two, so let me explain why it's on this list. Gelato's big thing is geography. They have a print network that covers over 30 countries, and when an order comes in, Gelato automatically routes it to the print facility that's closest to the customer. Think about what that means in practice. If someone in Germany orders your product, it gets printed in Germany, not shipped from a warehouse in New Jersey. That means faster delivery times, lower shipping costs, and a smaller carbon footprint. That last part, the environmental angle, is actually becoming more and more important to buyers. There's a growing group of consumers who genuinely care about sustainability, and being able to tell your customers that your products are printed locally and shipped with less environmental impact is a real selling point. Gelato leans into this hard, and it works. Gelato's product range covers the essentials well: t-shirts, hoodies, wall art, calendars, mugs, phone cases, bags, books, cards, and more. Where they particularly shine is in the print and wall art category. If you're thinking about selling prints, posters, or framed artwork, Gelato's print quality is genuinely excellent, and their range of paper types and sizes is one of the best in the business. The platform itself is clean and easy to use. The design editor is simple, probably more beginner-friendly than some competitors. And the store integration works with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, and Squarespace. Now, the product range isn't quite as large as Printify's, and in some product categories, base prices can be slightly higher. But if your store is global, if you're selling to customers in multiple different countries, Gelato's local printing model can actually save you money on shipping overall and give your customers a much better experience. The free plan gives you access to the full product range and integrations. Their paid Gelato Plus plan at around $14.99 a month gives you discounts on products and access to a bigger mockup library, which can be worth it once you're doing consistent volume. Tool number 4, Redbubble. And this one is genuinely different from everything else on this list, because Redbubble isn't just a print-on-demand tool, it's also a marketplace. Here's what I mean by that. With Printify, Printful, and Gelato, you use them to fulfill orders, but you still need to drive traffic to your own store. You need to market yourself. You need to bring the customers. Redbubble flips that. You upload your designs to Redbubble, and your products are immediately listed on the Redbubble marketplace, where millions of buyers are already shopping. That means you can literally sign up today, upload a design, and someone could find it and buy it within hours, without you running a single ad, posting on social media, or doing any marketing at all. For a complete beginner who just wants to test whether print-on-demand works before committing to anything more complex, Redbubble is perfect. The way the money works is simple. Redbubble sets base prices for every product. You choose a markup percentage on top of that, and that markup is your profit. So if a sticker has a base price of $2 and you set a 30% markup, you earn around 60 cents every time someone buys it. It's not huge per sale, but when you have dozens of designs across hundreds of products, it adds up. The product range on Redbubble is really wide. Stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, laptop skins, mugs, prints, pillows, duvet covers, masks, and more. Now what's the downside? A couple of things. Because anyone can upload to Redbubble, it's a very competitive marketplace. Standing out requires good designs and smart keyword use, and you have less control over your brand. Everything lives on Redbubble's site, not yours. But as a starting point, as a place to upload designs with zero upfront cost and zero marketing effort to test what sells, it's unbeatable. Tool number 5, Selfie. Now this one is a little different from everything else we've covered, and I want to explain why it's worth your attention. Selfie is a complete store builder, and what makes it special is that it combines print-on-demand products with digital products, all in one place, under your own brand. So here's what I mean. With Selfie, you can sell print-on-demand items, t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, wall art, just like Printify or Printful. But you can also sell digital downloads in the same store. Things like design files, ebooks, presets, printable planners, music, video courses, anything digital. And why does that matter? Because having both in one store opens up a completely different level of income. Let's say you run a fitness brand, you sell branded gym t-shirts through print on demand, but you also sell a downloadable workout plan for $15. Same customer, same store, 2 different revenue streams. Selfie is also one of the few platforms on this list where you're building an actual standalone store, not plugging into Etsy or Shopify. Your store has its own URL, your own branding, your own look and feel. It's much more like a proper online business from day one. The store builder is genuinely simple to use. You don't need any technical knowledge. You pick a layout, upload your logo, add your products, set your prices, and you're live. Most people can have a store set up in under an hour. Selfie also handles payments directly through Stripe and PayPal, so when a customer buys something, the money goes straight to you. There are no complex payout schedules or waiting periods. Now, let's be honest about the cost. Selfie's free plan exists, but it has limits on how many products you can list. Their starter plan is $29 a month, which gives you unlimited products and full features. That's a bit more upfront commitment than some of the other tools on this list. So who is Selfie best for? It's best for people who already have an audience, a YouTube channel, an Instagram following, a TikTok page, and want to launch a store quickly that sells both merch and digital products to that audience. It's also great for creators who want to own their customer relationship from day one rather than relying on a marketplace. If that's you, Selfie is absolutely worth looking at. Okay, let's put all 5 side by side so you can see exactly how they compare at a glance. Printify. Yes, huge. 900 plus products, beginners, Etsy and Shopify sellers. Printful, yes, large. Premium quality. Quality brands, premium pricing. Gelato. Yes, good. Global printing, global sellers, wall art stores. Redbubble, yes, wide. Marketplace, built-in, complete beginners, passive income. Selfie. Limited free physical plus digital creators, audience first sellers. If you're a complete beginner with no audience and no budget, start with Redbubble. Zero setup, zero cost, built-in traffic. If you want to build a real store on Etsy or Shopify, go with Printify to start. If quality is your #1 priority and you're building a premium brand, choose Printful. If you're selling to customers all over the world, look at Gelato. And if you already have an audience and want to sell merch plus digital products, Selfie is your answer. Bonus tips, how to actually succeed with print on demand. Before I wrap this up, I want to give you a few honest tips, because knowing the tools is only half the picture. The other half is actually making it work. Tip number 1, your design is everything. The platform matters, but it matters a lot less than the design. Tip number 2, pick a niche. Don't try to sell everything to everyone. The most successful print-on-demand stores are niche stores. Tip number 3, always order samples. Before you list any product for sale, order it yourself. Hold it, wear it, check the print quality. This saves you from unhappy customers and bad reviews before you've even built momentum. Tip number 4, be patient. Most print-on-demand stores don't make significant money in the first month. The ones that succeed are the ones that kept uploading designs, kept improving, and stayed consistent. Alright, that's the full breakdown of the 5 best print-on-demand tools you can use to launch a store in 2026. And look, I want to be real with you for a second. Print-on-demand is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, it takes some experimentation, and you'll probably have designs that don't sell before you find ones that do. That's completely normal. That's how it works for almost everyone. Even if your first product doesn't sell, just start. Because every successful print-on-demand seller started exactly where you are right now. Drop a comment and tell me which tool you're going to start with. I read every single one. If this video was useful, hit the like button. It helps more people find this channel, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.